Hello friends, this is Vishwajit from Soneri Vishwa. Today we will have a quick review about the Adidas terrex version. This is the skychaser without GTX, that is non-waterproof version, having a boost technology which is lot more promoted by Adidas these days, and having a continental sole which is mostly preferred. As you can see, this is quite well finished. The welding on the fabric is quite impressive and a little bit stiffer, and right now we have the logos all over the place of Adidas as well. And here you can see best improvements of this version is you are having a good quality support over here. What I really found special is the sole is similar to the outline of our foot, and this will give you a better support on this area where most of the shoes lack the support and have a issue during running. Now while we are talking about the fitting is very good, comfortable. While focusing on the fitting, we can't miss this speedless system. Over here we have adjustment setting with the user manual. Now we have a knob over here. So this knob is a one-way directional knob. As you can see, I can tighten the lace up without pulling anything, but I can't lose it without pulling this black knob. So this is quite faster method to tighten up your laces, and I must say this quality of this rope is also appreciable. Now moving forward, we do have insole that is made from ortholite. As the company promotes, it really helps to ventilate the bottom side of your feet, and really got no issues about warming up or any sweating. Moving further, we have some color issues over here because as you can clearly see, this is perfect black, and this variant what I have chosen, this is a dark blue color. This is black, and this will give you a green tint in the black shade. So this is not a perfect black, and rest everything is blue with the stripes and all, but still the contrast lacing is not that much preferred by me. The build quality is quite sober, and most of the time in the malls or any tiled surface we have the issue of skidding, but this shoe grips quite well. So this is really preferred if you are really concerned about having a skidding issues. The boost technology itself is, I think, is not that much used in this because as you can see, in case of hilly area, when you are on the downhill, this will quite be comfortable, but in case of while you are talking about the forefoot, we are having issues that the stones will get all the comfort, and this will only minimize the effect of lugs on your foot. But I don't think that is really effective for the cushioning itself, because this is a quite thinner layer, and I don't think if you are hitting a big rock or something, it will make any sense to have a boost technology in it. While on the other hand, if you are running on normal roads, it definitely makes some difference with the boost. The fitting is quite comfortable. The another issue I faced here is my little finger toe of feet is rubbing on this stripe, and this is a supportive strip. We can't make any alteration on this, so I'm returning these shoes. The second issue I found here, as we are bending this thing, it's quite tempering over here, and over the time it will get tear off. So surely this is a fabric, this should keep its shape all the time, but I don't think this is a proper build of this shoe, because the another pair is not having that much tempered edge over here. It bends over, but it get minimized when you are straight up. But this in the straight up position as well having a little bit over edge here. This was a quick review, and please note, if you have wide feet like me, I'm not preferring this thing to you, but the shoes overall, having, if someone having a lean feet with the trail running purpose, this is really quite good shoe, and you definitely go for it. Now I am purchasing a new variant that is Swift R2 GTX version, because I need waterproofing as well, because waterproofing is one of the essential things I would prefer to have, because of snowfall and other things need to be faced during the traveling. This clip is not that much useful. Have a quick look on the label inside it. Hope this review will help you out with your purchases as well. Thanks for watching.